Mivi, an Indian electronic gadgets brand, on Friday introduced color wireless Bluetooth neckband earphones at Rs 2,999. The new neckband wearing style features Bluetooth wireless connectivity, comfort fit earbuds, and CVC 6.0 passive noise cancellation. The wireless neckband earphones come with HD stereo sound and Bluetooth V4.1 technology. It is comfortable to wear for extended sessions, and up to 10 hours of playtime and 250 hours of standby time on 2 to 3 hours of charging. It also comprises a magnetic lock and inbuilt microphones through which all music and call functionalities can be accessed and controlled. Our latest edition, color earphones, will bring superior sound, comfort, and audio innovations to consumers. Our products are developed to offer seamless experience and comfort at value plus price point. As earphones have become part of the uniform of youth and our consumers' everyday gear, our approach to the wireless category as a whole has been to solve the problems of all-day wearability and performance without sacrificing quality and aesthetics, said Mivi co-founder and chief marketing officer, Midhula Devabhaktuni. The device is built to ensure a stable wireless connection and to deliver the best call and command, voice, quality. It features 3 control buttons that lets users take calls, adjust volume or skip a track, all hands-free with the press of a button.